In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text move in CapCut and animate text in your videos. We'll walk through this in a clear, simple way so you can follow along, even if you're pretty new to CapCut. Go ahead and open CapCut on your device and start by creating a new project. Import the video clip or background you want to use. This could be a solid color, a photo, or a full video. Once that's on your timeline, you're ready to add your moving text. Tap on the text option, then choose to add text. Type in the words you want to appear on screen, like a title, a caption, or a call to action. After typing, you can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment so it matches the style of your video. Take a moment here to position the text where you want it to start on the screen. You can drag it around with your finger until it looks right. Next, look at the timeline and make sure the duration of the text matches how long you want it to be visible. You can drag the edges of the text layer to make it shorter or longer. This is helpful if you're timing your text to music or to someone speaking in the video. Now let's animate that text. Select the text layer so it's highlighted, then tap on the animation or keyframe options, depending on the CapCut version you're using. For simple movement, choose an in animation to control how the text appears, and an out animation to control how it disappears. Common choices are slide in, fade in, or zoom in. Try a slide animation to make the text move from the side onto the screen. You can tap each style to preview it and see how it feels. If you want more control over how the text moves, use keyframes. Move the playhead to the point where the text first appears, position the text where you want it, and add a keyframe. Then move the playhead further along the timeline. Drag the text to a new position, and add another keyframe. CapCut will automatically animate the movement between those 2 points. You can repeat this to create more complex paths or make the text follow an object in your video. Finally, play back your clip and watch the motion. If it's too fast or too slow, drag the keyframes or adjust the animation duration until it feels smooth and natural. When you're happy with how it looks, export your video and you're done.